Hello, in this video I'm going to show the camera tricks on AGM H6. Alright, so let's launch our camera, and in here I'll show you the best features that we have in my opinion. Alright, so starting from the capture mode, it's like a simple photo mode. Just to be exact, one of the best things are the Google Lens. Thanks to that we can quickly scan the QR codes to get the links, and also we have a few things down below, such as translate, text, speech, homework, shopping, places, and dining. I'll show you the translate function maybe. I'm sure that you already know how it's going to work. Next to me I have a spray with different language than English, and let's use the translate function to simply translate the text. So let me take a picture of the text. All right. The original language is Polish, as you take a look, and you can see on the screen that everything has been successfully translated. So that's a pretty cool thing. We can copy that text, listen to it, download it in Polish, open it in Translate. The search function works in that way that we just need to place our camera on the object that we want to search in the internet. So next to me I have this plant, as you can see. So let's take a photo of it, and it should find us some results in the internet. So let's take a photo. It's looking for the results. Let me only adjust the brightness a little because it seems too dark. All right. You can see that it has been selected, and in here we have results based in the Google, and we have similar photos, similar plants. We can enter each link. For example, on the Temu we have exactly the same plant, so that's where we can buy it, for example. So that's how this feature works. For example, as we go back, above we have the motion photo on. It works in that way that it creates like a really short video. Maybe I'll try to present that. In here, as we open up our photo in the gallery, we have this icon. We can play, and you can see that it's like a short video. That's the motion photo. Above we have the Beautify options. We can change the smoothness, the acne, we can brighten the photo, change the tone, enlarge something, make something more slim, but you need to take a picture of somebody. Next to it we have the filters that we can select. Let me only select the original one. As we open up the settings, we can change the volume key function. Currently, when I'll tap one of the volume keys, it will simply take the photo, but we can adjust the volume or use our volume keys to change the zoom level. That is one of my favorite things. Now I will hold volume up, and you can see that I'm zooming. When I click volume down, I'm zooming out. Pretty simple, but really comfortable to use. Alright, let's go back into the settings. In here we can change our picture quality. I highly recommend setting it on the superfine. We can also enable the HDR, also worth enabling. We have also the level and the smile shutter. That is pretty cool thing, the small shutter. The photo will be simply automatically taken if someone will smile. Pretty cool thing, or it's also cool for selfies. Okay, when it comes to another things, we have composition line. I also like that feature. We have the grid, golden section, reticle, and the box. Let's use the grid. Basically, thanks to the composition line, we can position our camera in the best way before we take a photo. You can see that the grid appeared on the screen. And now let's say that I want to take a picture of something, let it be that plant again. And now, thanks to that I have enabled the grid, I can position my camera in proper way, and now I know that the plant is exactly in the middle of the screen, and that's the moment when I should take the photo. Just like that. Boom. So, grid is also a pretty cool thing. Just like I was saying, we have different styles. You can, for example, select the golden section, reticle, and the box. For now, I will close it though. Let's get back. Next to it, we have the 50 megapixel mode. This mode is, the best for taking pictures because we have the highest quality, 50 megapixels. But you need to be aware that in this mode, we cannot zoom. It's simply impossible. But we can change the exposure value. To do it, simply tap on the screen to get in the focus and now slide up or down. When you see this icon, when you go to the upside, you can increase the exposure. And if you go to the downside, where is this bar? First it appeared and now it has disappeared. Pretty weird thing. Okay, now here it is. Now when I'm going to the downside, the exposure level is being changed and it's simply lower. Okay, on the left side we have the Pro mode. In here we can change things such as in here we have the exposure. We can also change the saturation. We have those levels right in here. We can change the automatic focus. We can change the ISO, the white balance. We have different modes. You just need to simply click on those small icons to change it. Or you can click on the last icon to manually select the level of the white balance. If you want to restore the defaults, hit this button on the right side. This mode is really cool and I highly recommend to play with this mode a little before taking a photo. Thanks to adjusting everything right in here, we can get a really good quality of our photo. We also have the Panorama mode on the left side, and I would like to click it. Alright. You can see that an arrow appeared on the middle of the screen, and now we just need to tap the shutter button and then move from left to right to get a really wide photo. So let me show you how it works. Click the shutter button and then move. Alright, then click the shutter button to save it, and now as you take a look we have a pretty wide photo, but you just need to remember that you should move from left to right exactly on the same level like the arrow. Okay, and now let's go straight to the right side because we have more things. In here we can also quickly scan the QR code, use the night mode. This mode is of course the best when it's dark outside. We have slow motion mode. I'm sure that all of you know how this feature works. Simply tap the shutter button, you can record a video and everything will be slowed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.